Hello, in this video I'm going to do two examples of Ohm's Law. Ohm's Law is right here, and this is what most teachers will say: V is equal to IR, or voltage is equal to current times resistance in the circuit. I'm tempted to call it the change in V is equal to IR, or the change in voltage, or the change in potential is equal to IR, because voltage is just a change in potential. But quite often it's not put that way. It's just a little subtle thing. But what I'm going to do is just to show you how to solve an Ohm's Law problem. So say we have a battery right here with 9 volts, and we have a resistor right here, which is 9 ohms. Goes around, comes back. So what we do is we want to find what is the current. So what we do is we just plug it in. So V is equal to 9 volts, which is equal to I times 9 ohms, divide by 9 ohms, and we have the current equal to 1 amp. It's really as simple as that. The difficult part is when you're having capacitors and resistors in series and how that affects it. I will have that in a later example, and I'll go over to how to calculate the resistance. But right now, I'm not going to go over that because that is not what this video is over. It's just Ohm's Law and how to apply it. I'm not going over how to find resistance in series or parallel, or voltage in series or parallel. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'll do another example. We have this one will be 10 volts. Goes around. And we have 15. Or actually, sorry. We have an unknown resistance. And we have 2I, the current running through the system is 2 amps. So what we do is we take this V is equal to 10, I is equal to 2 amps, and R is unknown. So we take V divided by I, and that's equal to R. So 10 volts divided by 2 amps is equal to 5 ohms. And that's what that resistor right there will be. Like I said, in series and parallel it changes a bit. You can still use Ohm's Law, but this R will be Req, or like the total resistance. So you'll have the change in V divided by I, which is equal to Req. And Req will be equal to some value. And these get very complicated very quick. This is my simplistic example. I'll give a higher up example later, and I hope that'll help you out if you have that problem. I'll probably put a link in this video. But I hope this helps for an introduction into Ohm's Law and can help you guys out. Thank you.